Hello guys, my name is Reza. I'm a Farsi teacher. In this video, I'm going to review one short story from my book, 100 Short Stories in Persian. Well, I think short stories are the best way for learning Farsi, for improving your vocabulary and expanding your vocabulary. Well, there are several different reasons for that. One is that you get more time to focus on individual words. So when you have a limited text, a short text, then you can use a dictionary, find the keywords, and see how the keywords are used in a context. Another reason is that you can read the whole story in just one sitting, and it is very motivating because you don't need to spend hours and hours to finish uh, the article or to finish the book. You just need to finish one story at a time. And it is also very helpful for consistency because you only need to spend 15 minutes, 20 minutes, sometimes 10 minutes to finish a story. So you can do it every day because you always have 10 minutes, 15 minutes a day to review a short story. And also, another reason is that you can share them easily in a group, or you can share the story with someone else. You can tell the story to yourself or to your Persian friend or a Farsi native speaker. So try to read as many stories as you can. And today I review one short story from this book, 100 Short Stories in Persian. The short stories are usually for intermediate to advanced Persian learners, but for beginners also, for people who learn the alphabet, they can also use these short stories. But they need to use dictionary more often. So let's take a look at the short story. The short story that I chose for this video is the short story number 100 in the book. So you can guess from the name of the book that there are 100 short stories and most of them are in just one page. Let's take a look at this short story. The title is Agahi. Agahi means notice or advertisement. Pool simply means money. Well, I don't want to translate all the words. So first, let me just read the whole story. Then you can pause the video and think about the story and see if you understand the concept of the story. Then you can find the keywords. I will go back to the story and translate some words, not all words. So let's take a look at it. آگهی پول. آگهی بر روی دیواری نصب شده بود که روی آن نوشته شده بود من 50,000 تومان گم کردم و خیلی به آن نیاز دارم زیرا هزینه زندگیم را ندارم. هر کسی پول را پیدا کرد به این آدرس برای من بیاورد. Alright, next paragraph. شخصی برگه را می‌بیند و مبلغ 50,000 تومان از پول خودش به آدرس میبرد. به آدرس میبرد. آنجا میبیند پیرزنی در آن خانه است. شخص پول را تحویل میدهد. پیرزن گریه میکند و میگوید شما نفر 12 هستید که آمدید و ادعا می کنید پول من را پیدا کرده اید. جوان لبخندی زد و به سمت در حرکت کرد. پیرزن که همچنان داشت گریه می کرد گفت پسرم برگه را پاره کن، چون من نه آن را نوشته ام و نه سواد نوشتن آن را دارم. دیدن انسان‌های مانند شما من را به زندگی امیدوار می کند. Alright, what do you think? Was it difficult to read? It was only 3 paragraphs. So let's take a look at the text one more time. You can stop the text at any time that you want, and you can find the words in a dictionary. And if you have the book, you can also just highlight the words and write the meanings and review them later. آگهی, as I said before, it just means notice, notification, advertisement. آگهی پول means that there was an advertisement or notice on the wall. So آگهی بر روی دیواری نصب شده بود. دیوار means the wall. نصب شده بود means it was on the, or a stick on the wall. که روی آن, so you know that we use که, the preposition, to connect 2 sentences. So it just means that. روی آن means on it. نوشته شده بود, was written. من 50,000 تومان, 50,000 تومان is just the currency of Iran. گم کرده ام. گم کردن means to lose. So گم کردم, I've lost 50,000 تومان. و خیلی به آن نیاز دارم. I really need it. نیاز داشتن means to need something. زیرا, because هزینه زندگیم, my expenses, را ندارم. So I don't have any money for my life expenses. هر کسی پول را پیدا کرد. پیدا کردن means to find. هر کسی means anyone. Anyone who could find the money. به این آدرس برای من بیاورد. آوردن means to take, to bring. So bring the money to this address. Okay, let's take a look at the next paragraph. شخصی برگه را می‌بیند. شخص means someone, somebody. برگه را می‌بیند و مبلغ 50,000 تومان از پول خودش, from his or her money, به آدرس میبرد. بردن means to take. آنجا میبیند پیرزنی, old lady, در آن خانه است. شخص پول را تحویل میدهد. تحویل دادن to deliver, to give. پیرزن گریه میکند. گریه کردن means to cry. و میگوید شما نفر 12 هستید که آمدید و ادعا میکنید. ادعا کردن to claim. پول من را پیدا کرده اید. And the last paragraph. جوان لبخندی زد, means the young man or the young woman. و به سمت در حرکت کرد. حرکت کردن to move. پیرزن که همچنان داشت گریه میکرد. همچنان means so it is a preposition also, means at that time. So during that time. همچنان داشت گریه میکرد. گفت پسرم, my son, برگه را پاره کن. Just threw the advertisement, the notice away. چون من نه آن را نوشتم. نوشتن means to write. I haven't written that. و نه سواد نوشتن آن را دارم. So I cannot read and write. سواد داشتن to literate, to read and to write. دیدن انسان‌های مانند شما، انسان is human، من را به زندگی امیدوار می کند. امیدوار کردن، امید means hope. امیدوار means hopeful. To be hopeful. Alright, thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions, any remarks, any feedback, please leave your comment below this video. And just please leave the comment and just let me know what do you think about this kind of videos. If you like, if I get a lot of positive feedback about this kind of videos, I will review the whole book. There are 100 short stories like this one in the book. The link of the book is below this video. And please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and please leave your feedback. Your feedback can help me to improve the quality of the books and also the quality of these videos. Thank you.